Werner produces a wide range to highly rugged and low-cost foot switches. The mini foot switches are the most economical in the series. It has a built-in 1NO plus 1NC contact. The mini foot switches come with an anti-skid silicone pad. This prevents the foot switch from slipping from its position during sudden or continuous operations. This switch also has the mechanical limiting function. It also has a stroke limit function, which will avoid excess pressure passing on the internal contact. Werner top-hit protected foot switches are made of aluminum die-cast. Like other models, these also sturdy and durable. These switches are available in yellow and red color, which makes it clearly visible on a shop floor. If any object falls on the foot switch, it is absolutely safe. The switch is again made of aluminum die-cast, so you can be assured that your operator and machine process is safe. The complete protected foot switches provides a complete uncompromised protection to operator as well as the switch. Our fully protected foot switches come with a carrying rod to easy movement and an emergency stop. All Werner foot switches come with a default 1NO plus 1NC contact. Werner offers a standard 12 months warranty and standby replacement option within 24 hours. If you have to make a choice, make it right, make it Werner.